Have you noticed you're running from task to task, but nothing in your life has really changed? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple 3-step system to finally turn all that effort into real progress. Right now, your days are full, but you still feel stuck. You wake up, start reacting, answer messages, jump between tabs, try to be on for everyone. And then at night, you think, how did I do so much and move forward so little? You're not undisciplined. You're overcommitted. Your goals are all fighting for the same time, energy, and focus. Instead of adding another productivity hack, I want you to remove what's blocking your progress. I call this the 3-step elimination audit. Step 1, brain dump. Take 5 minutes and write down everything you're trying to do. Goals, projects, habits, platforms, commitments. Get it all onto one page. Step 2, pick your domino goal. From that list, circle one main goal that, if it improved, would make a bunch of other problems easier. That's your domino goal. Step 3, downgrade, delegate, delete. For the next 90 days, everything else goes into one of 3 buckets. Downgrade, make it smaller. 1 gym goal, not 5. Delegate, if it doesn't really need you, get help. Delete, pause it for 90 days. Here's your move. After this video, take 10 minutes and do the 3-step elimination audit. Pick your one domino goal and give it the focus you've been spreading across 10. If you're busy all day but nothing changes, you don't need more motivation. You need elimination, the system that makes every other goal easier. And when you're ready to go deeper and actually choose that one domino goal, watch one goal that changes everything, find your domino goal next. It's the second video in this series.